Hey guys, my name's Anne.
And I'm Caitlin.
And we're gonna show you how to de-loft your bed when you're moving out. So when you de-loft your bed, you're gonna wanna make sure you take it off of wherever it's sitting, and you're gonna wanna make sure it's on the third rung with 2 rungs showing. That'll leave it about 3 feet off the ground.
You're gonna wanna make sure your mattress is up and leaning up against the wall and your bed rail is installed.
Okay, so let's get started. For this, we're gonna need your mallet, and we're gonna go ahead and start by taking off the bed rail and the mattress. There we go. Okay. And now we're gonna wanna make sure we hammer all corners back in. And now we can put our mattress and our bed rail back on. So that is how you de-loft your bed. Happy move out and go Tigers.